What's up guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and we've just crossed Kadapa. Started in the morning at 4:30 as usual. The plan is to reach Coimbatore by 6 in the evening and rest there for tonight and start to Kerala tomorrow. We were actually looking for a nice tea spot but did not find, so found this beautiful stop over here. That's why I stopped. Just check the view out. It's obvious that the GoPro is not doing justice, but still. And check this out. We are driving XUV 300 today and the car is performing really well. And the best part is we don't have to slow down near each and every pothole. It is so cold out here, man. The outside temperature is 20 degrees but it feels like it's 18 degrees. For the first time I'm feeling this kind of cold in Andhra. So if you are wondering with whom I'm traveling, it's obviously my man Sajid, because it's his car. What's up bro? What's the plan for today?
It's really cold right now, so let's go get some tea first and then decide.
This is the second time I'm going through this road and oh boy, the body roll I'm facing right now. It's obvious you have to deal with the body roll if you are.
But you will never lose confidence.
This spot over here to have some tea, but unfortunately there is no tea shop over here. We can go, I guess. Let's go bro. Let's just go. Alright guys, we are going to off-road the XUV 300.
I don't know, but yeah.
I think easily we can go without any efforts. Man, imagine taking my cruise in such places. Come on bro, XUV 300 water weighting capacity. Yes, that's perfect I guess. Check the view. Damn, I cannot see that beautiful mountain over there. Bro Sajid, just saw in Google Maps that this way takes us to Coimbatore in 4 hours.
Yeah, except we had to turn our car into a boat.
Bro, our XUV can easily go bro.
Dude, that's just 300. Okay?
Trust me bro. If you are worrying about the front wheel drive, then we'll take the car in reverse gear. Sorry bro, I didn't let you shit properly. Next time. You can see his sad walk. Oh boy, check out the fog. Can't see anything bro. How are you driving bro Sajid?
Eyes closed.
Yep, just had breakfast over here. It's 11:10 in the morning and we have done about 200 kilometers from home and now I'm gonna drive the car. Give me the keys bro. Oh, this is a 2021 XUV 300 1.5 liter diesel manual. So you guys know about all these projector lights.
Hi guys, follow me.
I'm just gonna share you about my driving experience. Let's get into it.
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Oh, did you see that swipe up? All right. Oh, bro. Steering is too light.
I'll put it on sport. Yeah.
Okay, now it's weighs up a little.
I'm more used to it now.
But literally, bro, compared to my cruise,
Yeah, it's
the
still
steering is like next level light. And the engine is very refined, man. I can't hear anything. Ooh, red lights at 5000 RPM almost. At these speeds, the steering is weighing up better.
Yeah, it weighs up. It depends on your speed.
Now the steering feels way too tight, bro.
Put it on comfort then.
Where is the comfort mode?
Sport, no, that's comfort. So no matter which mode you are in, it weighs up a little, but the amount of weight that it weighs up different. Somewhere here there's a U-turn.
Finally found a U-turn.
Second is it?
The clutch is little hard, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is like a lot of people told me that the clutch is on the lighter side.
Maybe compared to my cruise, it's
Could be.
little hard. But
Clutch
compared to the EcoSport, it's light.
Yeah, it has a lot of travel. If you see, right, the clutch actually goes all the way in.
So this has got 6 gears. I'm really used to 5 gears now. I feel kind of weird turning it to 6 gear, and I'm currently at 110 km/h, and it doesn't feel like I'm at 100. It's easily cruising at 120, maintaining 2000 RPM. So there is no engine noise in the cabin, man. And I really love the suspension setup of this car, man. A little bit of body roll is there, but that's okay, man. It's not too much, unlike Fortuner. And the best thing is ride quality is so smooth, it's not bouncy. High speed stability is really good, man. And one thing is, I didn't like the horn of the vehicle.
The horn doesn't sound like it's a SUV horn.
After slotting it into 6 gear, it simply glides, man. Thing missing from this car is ventilated seats.
Yeah, man.
And the massage function.
You're talking about Mercedes, right? This is Mahindra.
Come on, bro, you paid 16 lakhs for this.
Doesn't
You can
matter.
easily get a BMW 320d for that price. I mean the used one. And the best part is it has dual zone climate control.
Abuja wants like hot air and I want some cold air. So we both had like different settings here. So it kind of comes in handy when it needed.
I am cornering at 100, but I don't really feel body roll. The car is in control. It's not like it's going out of control even at 100s and 120s. Usually SUVs at this speed feels like they are going out of control a little.
Yeah.
But this one stays in your limit. Right after crossing 80, this car gives a small beep, and after crossing 120, I guess it
starts
it starts beeping.
Beeping and flashing on the dashboard.
I love the suspension setup of this car, man. Especially after coming from cruise directly into XUV 300, I feel like just pushing it as hard as possible, even on the potholes, just to enjoy the suspension. I'm literally taking revenge on potholes with this car. Coming to the mileage of this car, it's currently giving about 20, I guess. Right now the current mileage is 17.6 and it's keep on increasing. So it's 1140 and we have done about 350 kilometers, I guess. And we still have to travel 600 kilometers, right? Going Coimbatore today. So we'll stay there. Next day morning we are starting to Kerala. Coimbatore itself is like 800 kilometers away from my home, man. And these huge humps, I'm gonna enjoy this hump, man, in this car. Ahaha, whoa, imagine my cruise there. Right, Belur and straight Chennai, I guess. No, straight is Tirupati or something. Bro, it has 300 Nm torque, but still I don't feel power, bro. It's
bro,
not.
You gotta press the pedal, bro, to feel the power.
I've already pressed it.
It has a long travel.
Pedal to metal.
Yeah, pedal to metal. Then you can feel it. See?
Oh, bro. Till now I was just using 70% of the pedal and thinking I was flooring it. But guys, it has some good power. Also, there is no turbo lag in this car. I don't feel any turbo lag. Maybe because I'm coming from the cruise,
Yeah.
I don't feel any. Good power, man. It has some serious power. Yeah, turbo lag is there till 1300 RPM, but that doesn't come in count at all. 1300 RPM is like nothing. And one more thing I have noticed is there is no nosedive whenever you tap on the brakes. And why the hell is this Jeep Compass guy flashed me for like 10 times and overtook me?
Bro, that's Jeep. There's no way. Chill. Calm
Bro,
down.
it's contractor
Bro,
abuser.
calm down. There's no
It's
way.
not 300 versus Jeep, it's contractor abuser versus Jeep.